Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will continue our work on this anime tower defense game right here. Let's get right into the video. So what we will do now is that we will now work on attack system, okay? This is going to be quite interesting. So before we actually work on the attacking system, we're going to work on making our fighters let go of the dummy. So let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about. So if we are able to attach fighters onto this enemy right here, means just click on him, then they just align, they just encircle him, then we should also be able to make them follow us again, okay? So this is going to be the first thing. If we still have enough time left, we will work on the attack system. So what we could possibly do in order to make the fighters right here go away is to do some kind of input on this dummy. We could, for example, create some code which checks whether you click on the dummy once again, and if you do, then you'll just let your fighters go off the dummy. So this could be a possible way to do it. The only issue I see with doing that is that well, we are not able to adjust the attack levels we have. So if we talk about our fighters attacking those enemies, then I had the idea that all of the attacks are going to be the same, so that you have some different attacks, and depending on what level of attacks you have, you just you just attack the dummy, but and you adjust those levels by clicking on the dummy multiple times. So if you click 2 times on a dummy, means the first time the first time you have attack level 1 means they just combat the dummy. Attack level 2, when you click for a second time, then they're just going to do some specific moves. But the more I think about it, the more the idea becomes pretty weird. Therefore, let's actually make it that way that when we click on a dummy once again, that the fighters are just going to be unequipped. Or not unequipped, but they just, let go of the enemy. So let's do it that way. Okay. Now, what we can do is that we somehow need to tell this dummy right here that he's being attacked. So, and script parent find first child attacked. So what we're doing right here is that, go inside of the simulate root part. So script parent find first child attacked. So what we are going to do is that we are going to have some instance inside of this dummy right here, inside of this enemy, which tells the script whether it is being attacked or not. And if it is being attacked, then we want to unattack the dummy. Yeah. So this check right here and not basically represents that, or represents the case that it is not being attacked. Okay. Okay. Wait. I have so many ideas in my mind. I just need to collect them all together. I'm sorry if I'm still suddenly stop, or if I just suddenly stop talking, because I have so much things in my mind currently about this game. But yeah, let's just continue. So else if this attack thing exists and the value equals the player's name, then okay. As instance new string value script parent. So inside of this character model right here, as name tagged as value player.name. Okay. Now we need to destroy this value, so that's the first thing. Second thing is that we are going to loop through our fighters right here, and we are going to check if they have this attacking value inside of there, and if that's the case, then we want to remove that. There we go. So this should be the way and how to do it, and if it works, I'm going to explain you the exact code. There we go. And there we go. Okay. Let me explain the code. So, well, let me just test once again, and then let's take a look at the code. So, okay. Take a look at this dummy right here, and yeah, just check whether any new instances are being created. So, if we click on this dummy, then this attacked value right here is being created, and this basically is a representation of the dummy's currently status, so that the dummy is being attacked. Now this attacked string value also contains the name of the person whose fighters are attacking him, this dummy. Okay, and basically right here we are first of all checking, or when we just approach this dummy and we have not attacked the dummy yet, then we are checking whether this attacked string value is not inside of there. If that's the case, then, you know, the dummies are just going to encircle him and then they'll attack, hopefully. Now, the next check right here, so when this check basically fails, means there is this attacked value, then we're checking if this attacked value is there, and the attacked value's value equals our name. And that's pretty important, because if you think about it, if you think of two players who are trying to attack the same dummy, and then player 1 is faster than player 2, just attacks the dummy, etc, etc. Then player 2 comes and tries to attack the dummy as well. Then we have the problem that there is a attacked value, but the attacked value does not really represent who is currently fighting, and that's pretty important in that case, because we would run into the issue that player 2 could possibly end player 1's fighting session on that enemy, and that's the big issue with that. So it is very important to see, or to check, whether the attacked person is the person who has clicked on the dummy for a second time to cancel the fight. That's important, guys. Now, I forgot to mention this, so this is basically the code which creates the string value. So instance new creates a string value which is being directly put in under this character model, under this enemy's character model, and we name this string value attacked, and we just set the value to our name. Okay, now down here we're just doing the same thing as above here. So we are basically looping through our fighters, our actual physically, so you're able to see them. So our actual fighters, so no representation or anything, and we're checking whether this attacking value is inside of there. So the attacking value which we have created right here, and if it is there, then we are going to destroy it. And where is it? Let me go to fighters handler. Where is that script? So there's this fighters handler script, and we have already added this code right here, which basically checks whether this attacking value is not inside of there, and as long as it is not inside of there, then we are able to walk. And deleting this attacking value now after it was there makes those dummies follow us once again, as you can see. Okay, the last thing right here is that we destroyed this attacked value. Yeah, just to clear things up. Alright, guys. So we are already at 9 minutes. I don't think that I'm gonna start with the moves creation now. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next episode.